Hey guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy-centric channel. Can a baby inside a womb learn the values, or is it possible to instill the cultural values, the moral values in the baby when he or she is inside the womb? Now, the term for making a baby aware of the cultural and the moral values inside the womb in India is known as Garbh Sanskar. Is it possible? Is there any way that the Garbh Sanskar is possible when a baby is inside the womb? We will understand in this video. So let us understand what is this Garbh Sanskar program, because this is a thing which is being run from various organizations for the pregnant woman to get a training on Garbh Sanskar so that they can teach their baby inside the womb about the cultural and the moral values for the brain development of the baby and for increasing his or her IQ level. Now, this idea of imparting the values to the fetus is quite interesting and quite intriguing. The scientific community is actually divided in two opinions. However, the common thing between the true fraternity of having a mixed opinion is that the baby inside the womb can hear the voice, the sound from the outside world. The hearing capability is there, but to understand the language or any scriptures is beyond the capability of a baby inside the womb. However, the other opinion is that the baby can be imparted with all the cultural, religious, and moral values well inside the womb. So there are actually the mixed opinion. The sound waves can reach to the baby, but the interpretation of those sound or to get out the meaning of it and to accept it and keep it in the memory for the rest of the life. This is the main thing on which the medical fraternity is divided. Now let us understand this more. Like, there are hormonal changes inside a woman during pregnancy, and some women would be feeling under stress, some would be very happy. And when the mother is happy or she is sad, the corresponding hormones are released in the body. And these hormones can definitely affect the unborn baby. Now, this is something scientific because this is the mental state of a pregnant woman. She is sad or she is happy, and the proportional effect can be seen on the baby. And this is scientifically proved as well. So as of now, the conclusion is not clear. That means whether the Garbh Sanskar works or not, this cannot be said with surety. But definitely the actions of the mother, the mental state of the mother, what she is eating, what sort of environment she is exposed to, this all affect the well-being of the baby inside the womb. So let us understand few points that can help in transferring the positive effects to the baby inside the womb. The number one thing is the positive thinking and the stress management. The pregnant woman should think positive and try to avoid the stress as much as possible, because it is believed that stress hormones have a bad effect on the baby inside the womb. Another is the reading or educating yourself on any new topic. This could be any spiritual reading or any new education or training you're taking. This actually challenges your mind to think and imagine. If you're reading religious text, positive stories, they can definitely bring beneficial effect on the baby's mental development. If you're fond of listening to the music, you should be listening to the soothing music, and it will be good if you are not listening on the headphone, because on the headphone you are only listening to the music. Maybe you would be happy and this happiness can be transferred on the baby, but also understand that the baby has the hearing capacity by now. So if you're listening to the music on a speaker, it will be more beneficial for you as well as for the baby inside the womb. Next is to understand the benefits of doing meditation and yoga. So you can find a good prenatal yoga session in your vicinity. Yoga plays a very important role to bring down the stress level, to make your body robust, flexible for the normal delivery, and this all will secrete the good hormones in your body that will make you happy and also will be good for the well-being of the baby inside the womb. Try to connect with your baby, because as we have said that the baby can now hear your voice, he or she at least understand that this is the voice of the mother. The baby is intelligent enough, the baby has a special bond with you, special attachment with you. So try to make this connect as much as possible. Talk to the baby, try to avoid any sort of the negative influences. Like during pregnancy, you should not be watching the horror movies or any movies that will put you in stressful situations. The energy, the vibes around you should be positive, should be constructive. So make sure that your mood is always good, you are stress-free and happy. Apart from this, healthy diet plays the most important role. You should be going by the diet that is prescribed by a doctor. Your diet should be rich in vitamins, minerals, iron, calcium, folic acid. So you and your baby get all sort of the nutrients in the right amount. So friend, this was about the Garbh Sanskar, that is to instill the baby inside the womb with the moral and the cultural values. However, if we see scientifically, it is quite impossible to achieve 100% of it, but definitely certain amount can be achieved. If you found this video interesting and informative, kindly press the like button, share this video for a good reach, and if you are watching us first time on YouTube, kindly subscribe us. If you're watching us on Facebook or Instagram, kindly follow us. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out. Stay happy. Stay healthy.